Neutral surface.
The reason I am going to move my slider in upward direction. So
Okay, so it will be at the bottom.
Correct. So that once I selected the bottom, so this is my tooling direction, like this slider direction. I will tell you how to create the slider direction separately. We need to create a slider direction and tooling direction, main tooling direction.
Okay.
See, now it is having some material removal. Yeah. So yesterday what we were seeing is trying to add some material. It is a hole, that is why I am removing some material. You just check it. If it is taking less material, you can increase to 3 degree because the whole length is less. If the length is 50 mm, in that case, if you give 1 degree, that is sufficient. This height is less than 2.5 mm, right? Like the thickness, whatever we maintain 2.5. So if you give 3 degree, it will be somewhat more, so that it will be helpful for us. Like it will reduce the wear rate of the part. So now I have given here the same thing. I have to give to this part also.
Okay.
See, now here I have given the neutral for that particular hole, but in this slider I have given here. The surface is here. If I give from this distance, definitely my angle will vary in this area, right? It won't engage properly.
Yes.
For example, if I show, I have to remove some material. So this is somewhat reverse way I have to give. See, now comparatively the size is showing big. So in this time, what I have to do is better I can extract the surface and create the cavity. That is the best practice to get the proper surface thing. If I am not getting the proper surface, right? Just I tell you another way. Just I will extract this particular surface.
Okay.
So if I change to no propagation, only this particular surface it will take. So what I will do is I will split this surface, like split this body with this surface. See, this is a flat one, so that I can measure it and I can adjust. Even if it is a curved profile or some tapered profile, right? In that scenario, better to do the split option.
Okay.
So I have to split with this surface. Okay, sorry. What is happening here is, see, at the center we have this hole, right? That is why it is not splitting it. So what we have to do is, in the surface, we have another option. Whenever if you have, just I want to fill this one, whether you can do fill option, otherwise you have another option called union trim, untrim.
Okay.
So if I give untrim on the surface, see, some of the material got increased here. It will automatically it will generate some surface.
Okay.
Without hole, I have created the surface. So instead of extract one, I have to see. Now the material is removed.
Yeah.
So if I provide a draft now with the same value, it will match exactly. You have to go back to part model. Part module. Once again, I have to give the draft 3 degree we have given. Selection. Pulling direction, we have given this y-axis.
Okay.
See, this one also removing material. So what will happen? Your part will exactly.
It will not touch the
reverse
the outer side.
See, now it is not matching, right?
Yeah.
This is called undercut.
Okay.
Undercut means, let me show in section view. See, this is your slider part. It is here. It is matching. The reason we have started the draft here. So what I have done is I have removed the material in the part, as well as I have removed the material in my slider also. So that what will happen? It won't match, right? Exactly.
Yeah.
If I try to move this one like in top, what will happen? Here it is having bigger edge, so it will create some scroll. So what I have done is this is wrong. So I have to change my draft direction.
Okay.
Once I change the draft direction,
will be bigger on the outside.
See, the part, because we need to get like this only, no? Then only the material will be proper.
Yeah.
So I will have negative draft here and positive draft here, so that I will fill exactly that required shape, circular shape.
Okay.
So if I try to translate this one, without any issue, it has to come out. Providing the translate.
Okay.
So direction is y-axis. Just I'm giving y. Just 2 mm. See, whenever it is moving upward, right, some clearance will create by default.
Okay.
The reason we have given one side positive draft and one in slider we have provided the positive draft. In this part we provided the negative draft. Negative draft is nothing but removing the material. So that whenever it is moving, right, some clearance will create. Without any issue, this part will come.
Okay.
So whenever you are creating the part, creating core and cavity, like see, now we are in practice mode. That is why we are creating each and every time this core and cavity. In reality, no need to create core and cavity each and every time.